Hey everyone, welcome to the Python tutorials. In this episode, we are talking about arithmetic operators. So let's get started. Before we dive into arithmetic operators, let's quickly understand what operators and operands are. In Python, operators are special symbols that carry out arithmetic or logical computations. The value that the operator operates on is called operand. For example, in the expression a plus b, plus is the operator and a and b are the operands. The types of arithmetic operators are addition and unary plus, subtraction and unary minus, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, and power. Now let's discuss each of these operators. First is the addition operator. In addition operator, we have unary plus, which is applied on single operand, whereas the binary addition operators, they are applied on two operands. Now let's go and practice in Jupyter Notebook. Let's create new file, notebook, and we rename the file as episode 4. Rename. And first we'd like to do unary plus, so hash unary plus. So unary plus is when the operator is applied on single operand. So we assign some variable x equals to some value to it, and we assign -5 and y, and we want to perform unary plus, so y equals to plus x print y. So we have applied addition operator plus to the variable x, and now if we run, it will give -5. Similarly, let's see the binary plus hash binary plus. We're going to create two variables, a equals to, let's say 2, and b equals to 4, and we will create another variable result and perform a plus b. It's a general, like a mathematical formula, and we print result colon double quote result, and we run this file, and it gives the result 6, that is a plus b equals to 4 and 2 is 6. So this is how we perform arithmetic operator in Python. The next is subtraction operator, and unary minus operator is applied on single operand, whereas the binary minus operators are applied on two operands. Now let's see some example. Has unary minus, we're going to do the similar is the unary plus, so x equals to -4, let's say, and y equals to, so we are doing minus here, so minus to variable x, and parenthesis is not required, but we prefer to write because it gives clear way of writing code, and we print y, and yeah, minus to minus into minus plus, that's why the output is 4. Now we are doing binary minus, has binary subtraction, create the variable a as earlier, we assign 6, and for B we are assigning 3 and we are storing in result, that's A minus B, and we want to print the result, so result colon comma result, and we'll run and see the result. Yeah, the result, value of the result is 6 minus 3, that's a 3. The next one is multiplication operator. It is also a binary operator and it multiplies the two operands. So let's go and see some code in Jupyter Notebook. Here we are, and hash binary multiplication, enter, A equals to, let's say, 5 and B equals to 5, result equals to A asterisk B, and we add parenthesis and print result multiplication result. Yeah, now we run this code and we get answer 25. That's 5 into 5, 25. Another is division operator, and this operator is used to divide the first operand by the second operand. Let's see some example. Hash binary division, A equals to 10, let's say, B equals to 5. We store in result equals to A divide, that's a forward slash B, and we print division result, and now we will run the command. Run. Yeah, the answer is 2.0. In fact, in Python the division operator always gives the decimal value. Here comes the floor division. It is represented by double forward slash, and it's a regular division operator but rounds the result to the whole number. It always gives output as an integer value. So let's go and write some code for floor division. Now has floor division enter. So I'm going to use the same variables for A and B value, and we are using result A forward slash to double forward slash and B, and then print floor division, and then result. Let's run it, and oops, there's an error on the 2, that's a type error result. I think I have forgotten to write equals to. Yeah, now let's run again. Yeah, it's done. and the result it shows is 2. Here we don't see the decimal point because the floor division, it rounds the result to the whole numbers. Next is modulus operator. It performs division but it returns the remainder as a result. Let's write code has modulus operation, enter. Again we create a variable and assign 10 and b variable and assign 3, and we are going to store in result equals to parenthesis a modulus b print double quote modulus comma result, and we will print the modulus or the remainder is 1. If we divide 10 by 3, the remainder is 1, right? Finally, we have power operator or exponentiation operator, and this operator is used to raise one number to the power of another, and it used a double asterisk. Now let's open our Jupyter notebook and try it. Has exponentiation a equals to b equals 2 and result equals parenthesis a asterisk asterisk b, and then print double quote exponentiation colon comma result. Now we'll run. Yeah, the result is 4. That means 2 to the power 2 is 4. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe.